We are going to see about mover, stud, handle, knob, ball, spring, set screw, grab screw, washer in this video. So here only the spring. We have to keep some concept as well as in the mover also. Okay. So now I am going to start. Go to the solid part. So here I am going to the protrusion, revolved protrusion, select what is that the value. So in the dia in the bottom, so what is 62 up to the total height is 46. The tapered length is 26 mm, middle is 25, so 46. So I am going to select a plane, front plane. From here to select a line. Then what is the 62? So 31, and going to make a line. So okay, I will do after. So what is the next height? 46, and towards right I think 45, that also 46 and 26 mm length. So 46 means 23 now. So here to going to make a straight line in the distance of, so 46 minus 26 remaining is 20. So I am going to make 20 over here. As after that I am going to join. Now the top end they are making radius 80. Radius 8. So go to here, select fillet option, this as well as this. I am going to give radius as 8. So after giving this, so once if you see in the middle, so it will be the straight tapered hole, so that I am going to select line from here to what is the tab 25 M25, or otherwise finally we can use with the whole option. So this is the basic step we have to do. Select axis of revolution in the mid, give return. So it's not joined, I think, properly. Select a line from the end, from here to here, then give return 360. Okay, after giving 360, go to the hole, the top hole, threaded hole, go to here, threaded, having 25 mm diameter. So 25 mm diameter, tapered to whole extent. Okay, through next return, left and right click. So the tapered threaded hole created. Then comes to the next one, this spherical radius 50. Okay, so from here to the center is the 46. So go to here, select revolved cutout, select mid plane, from here to 46 mm distance, then select circle having the diameter not radius 50, radius 50. Then I'm going to do one more step. So extend to next, go to here zoom option. From here to I'm going to make a straight line, so the remaining lines I'm going to trim. Now select axis of revolution this 360, and those particular area is created. So only off. So go to edit profile, return. So angle I can give 360, left and right click. So this is the surface I have to create. So this part name is mover. Going to save. So after this we are going to make this hole. Okay, so for this I'm going to go to the sketch option and to select this particular plane. I'm going to draw this line towards here. So what is the thing you have to remember? From top to 13 mm distance, as well as this is this axis of wall is perpendicular to this taper angle. Okay, so that's what. So I'm going to make a line, straight line from here to 13 mm distance. So straight line, going to select trim, going to cut over here. Now I'm going to check what is the angle of this 107. 107 plus 9, 197.10. So from this end to angle I can tap 197.10, 197.10, and length, depth of the hole, diameter or length of the hole, length of the hole, now. So here the whole depth we could not able to find over with help of this drawing. So now here we are going to insert the handle. Okay, so those handle length, so here, so that is, it comes as a 8 mm distance. This side is 8, so other side 10. So those it will be going to join with here 10 mm. Okay, so that, so this length you should join with make it as a 8 mm. Okay, so select a line from this end to 8 mm and 197.10. Okay, so now we will going to check the angle. So the angle between this and this is not exactly. So angle of this line so select zoom option, sorry, here the angle it could change. So select, delete line 8 197.10 197.10. Okay, so it is minus 162. So then comes to here, check the angle, so 90, so it's correct whatever things we have drawn. Then finish, and actually I'm going to edit those things because of this line and all. I don't require this as well as this now. So the newly created plane line, I'm going to create the new plane like plane normal to curve from here to this end. I'm going to keep. So after that, rotate, select zoom the particular area, and going to draw the whole circle with the help of sketch. Select a circle exactly this end. I'm going to make the radius dia is the 10 mm, because here it should full 10 mm, so 10 mm. Then return, so mismatched. So please be careful while drawing this. So sketch I am going to delete, go to here, select sketch plane. So this is the particular point. Okay, so for reference I draw in a small line, select a circle from exactly here 10 mm, then fit zoom. So those line going to delete. Okay, so now we will check. So exactly in the particular line we drawn. Then comes to here, return, and goes to threaded sub cutout single path. Okay, now select the guideline. So this is the guideline. Enter profile this. Okay, okay, so full on right click. Otherwise you can select the whole option, we can do also, it's not a issue. So then we can save the component. So in this one, this is the only thing somewhat it is difficult. Okay, so once if you done this, okay, save and close it. Save and close the component. Then comes to the next fourth, which is the fourth one, stud third, 1, 2, third, sixth, fifth, fourth stud. It is having the diameter of 27 and 3 mm depth and by 18 mm hole distance. So select solid part, protrusion, go to here, select by 18, select a circle from here to 27 mm, 27, return. So this depth is 3 mm. Okay, so save as stud. Save as stud. So this is washer. Okay, so we can save this as a washer. Set here washer. You can save, then close, go to the solid part. Stud is this one, so that is the by 25 mm hole up to the length of 160 mm. Select and 25 mm circle, depth is 160. So this what happens if you are not possible to make this and this area only the threading, so all the area we can get. So go to here, I'm going to select thread option. Okay, from starting from here, first I'm going M25, so 25 mm and length 30, so 30 I'm going to give finite value 30, even though it has to be select, so it's not a issue. You can save as stud, stud, save. Tool holder, you can save as a stud one, stud. So already we saved something, so I'm going to check. Let the tool holder video, what is the stud. So washer, this is the washer, so those stud I'm going to delete. Okay, this is the stud. Then comes to the next part after the stud. Fifth one is the handle. Where is the handle? So this handle diameter is M10 and 114 mm distance. Okay, so go to here, select protrusion M10, so 10 and return 114 mm distance, and going to select thread, give from here to 10 mm distance, finite value 10 mm, it's coming, so it's not an issue. So save as what handle it and save and save. So handle is over. Then sixth, so for the sixth knob, so rear dia is 40 mm. So go to your solid port, select protrusion, not protrusion, revolved protrusion, select, and from here to draw a 40 mm circle, as well as from top to 38 mm, 38, and towards right side draw a line, as well as going to trim the particular area. This is the thing. Okay, now going to give axis of revolution, this return 360. Okay, so like this we have to create this particular part. Then goes to here, select whole dia 10 mm tap, 12 mm deep. Okay, so go to here, select actually this is the threaded hole, threaded 10 mm distance, and to hole extent, hole distance is 12 mm. B bottom, okay, 180. Keep going to place over here, then give return towards up, left and right click. So this is okay, knob. I'm going to stay as a knob. Okay, this is over. Then comes into the next part after the sixth. Seventh one is ball. So ball diameter is pi 9. So go to here, select solid part and revolve protrusion, and select a circle 9 mm and make a straight vertical line, trim it, the remaining portion. So go to here, trim. Now select axis of revolution as this, return 360. So ball is created. So save as ball, BALL ball. Then comes to the next one after the ball, eighth one is the spring. So for to draw the spring, so please check the diameter of the spring is 2 mm, the distance is 4.5, 20 mm, the total distance is 7. So for this I'm going to solid part and sketch from here to the distance is 3.5, because in the 3.5 only the ball is coming. What is the height? Height is 20 mm. So 20 mm height, I drawn the line. After drawn the line, select a circle. So this end pi is 2 mm. Okay. After that, this line I'm going to delete. Then coming up. So now go on, select the helical protrusion command. First I am going to select the profile and axis, then starting point from here, and pitch. That pitch length is 4.5. Okay, you see the preview and give finish. So like this way we have to see we have to draw the helical protrusion. Helical say one helical protrusion. The next one is set screw. So set screw, the initial here will be a 22 square up to the length 14 mm. So go to here, select solid pot protrusion square 22. Select a line from here to 11 22 to 22 and join. Then this line going to delete and return. So this line up to 14 mm distance. The next is 22 mm up to so 82 minus 56 7 14. Go to here, select protrusion, select this portion, circle having the diameter of 22. So that depth, what is the depth? This is 82 minus 14 minus 82 minus 14 minus 7 minus 56. So 5 mm depth. That cylindrical part is coming. So this I am going to save as a set screw. Set screw. Then what is the remaining portions? So up to 56 mm M60. Select protrusion and 56. Sorry. Up to 16 mm 56. 16 mm. Return. Select protrusion here from here to 16 and return 56 mm. Okay. Then again last one, that is the small 7 mm 10 mm 10 mm dia, 7 mm distance, 10 mm dia, 7 mm distance. So here you go to hole thread. Okay. This starting from here finish. That's so you can say this has to be over. Then the last part 9 10 grab screw. So this grab screw having the diameter 25 16. Go to here, solid pot, that is 25. Return and what is the diameter 12, length 12, depth 12, and comes to select protrusion again over here and 16 mm 32 mm distance. Select 16 mm and 32 mm. 32 mm. So this portion has to be comes as a threaded, starting from here, left and right click. Now rotate. So cut out to cut out. So 3 into 4. So going to select top from here to 4 and depth I am to give 3 mm. Okay. So like that you have to do the grab screw. So with that this thing is over. See and stop. The next video you will see the assembly.